Now, I want you to learn how to move forward and back. So we're gonna all hold hands. Give me a hand. You give me a hand. Give me a hand. You stay closer. Gonna hold hand. Now find your right foot. Right foot. Now do like this with your right foot. Brushing feel. So we brush with the foot. Brush. So if our foot brush, ball of the foot, heel. Brushing. You see, we brush. Brush, and now when our foot pass here, we're gonna push from our back foot, step. Now do a couple of brushes, don't step. 1, 2, and now as we brush, we push with the other foot. Now go brush, push, brush, push, brush, push, brush. So look, what it means, brush. Your foot, your foot brushing on the floor. Very good. Your foot brushing on the floor. You can soften knee to have more balance. It's your foot. Can you hear that sound? Mm-hmm. That's why I have a dance shoes. You have a dance shoe. Foot brushing on the floor. Foot brushing, and you push from the back foot. 1 step. Foot brushing, step. Foot brushing, step. Foot brushing, step. Foot brushing, step. Now, it's important for us to learn what is the difference between, let's say, tango walk, waltz walk, which is similar to this, or just regular walk. So watch, when normally I walk, I lift my foot, you see, lift, and I put it on the heel, right? That's if you slow down when you walk to the parking lot. So there is no brushing because it's not efficient, right? But for the dance, it doesn't matter efficiency, it's matter beauty, rhythm, and feel. And also when you walk by yourself. Here you're gonna walk close with the other person. So when I brush, let me borrow you for a second. Come with me, come with me. Why brushing is important? If I stand so close to her, and let's say I'm gonna go forward with my left, you're gonna go backward with your right. If I lift my leg and start stepping, isn't it more danger? I'm gonna step on her? Mm-hmm. Dangerous, right? Mm-hmm. Look, now if I stay so close and then brush, and you don't step even back, let's say you don't know that what I'm gonna do. You see, I'm brushing, look, I bump to her, but I'm still not stepping. So she feels I'm stepping. Almost like my brush sending her legs away. You feel that? Warm. Warm. Almost like I'm doing this to your leg. Go. But I'm definitely not I will not step on her if I brush. You understand? So brushing is very important for dancing together, especially when on high level we dance very close together. So totally just the feel of the legs. So let's try brushing forward and back. So we start with the left foot this time. So brush, push, brush, push, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We don't need to lift that high.
Oh, do that?
Yeah, that's you were doing like a soldier. Yeah. We want to stay, because imagine.
I brush.
Brush, yeah. Look, you're standing with her, you brush, and now you're doing this. Now you're kicking her. It's become UFC style. Okay. Yeah, you're brushing, and we step. Brush, step. Okay. Not.
Okay. I don't know why I did that time.
No, it's okay. It's natural. It's natural because you do what is natural. Because if I walk, it's natural. It's natural to do this. But that's why you learn how to dance. Dancing is not natural. It's a little bit learned skill. Last time, then we go backwards. So with the left foot, brush, step, and warm, and brush, and brush, and brush. Now backward. Let's learn backwards. So close your feet like this. Close your feet. Find your right foot. Now watch. Here, when we brush backward, you see there is a ball of the foot. Do it with your ball of the foot. Imagine, let's go here so I can record that. Imagine there is a wall behind us. Like you don't have eyes on the back. Now, because you have a mirror, now you see there's nobody there. But if let's turn around like this. Turn around. Yeah, you go on your spine. Yeah. If I have to walk like this, backward, do you see there is wall behind or not? You don't know, right? Maybe somebody's standing there. So you see, with my leg, I almost like I'm looking. What is there? I'm looking, and then I push. I look, so I send my leg first, then push. Send my leg, push. Send my leg, push. Send. So my leg going ahead of my body. Okay, now stay where you are, just turn around. Just turn around. So we're gonna go forward and then backwards. So go with the left foot. And push. And push. And push. And push. And push. And now backward. So leg will go first. Push. And leg. Leg. And leg. And leg. And leg. Now, the job is right now to stay as close as we can and walk in circle, continuous walks together. So you see I'm staying with Tina very close. Yeah, you can be even closer to me, like closer, like almost like a hug. You see now I'm gonna brush, see I feel my leg to her leg. You see that? So almost like I kicking her leg gently, sending her go back, go back, go back. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Yeah, now, Tina, one mistake. When you're going back, you're doing this. Your body is back. No, when you're going back, your body is forward, your leg is back. Your body stay forward to your partner. Got it? So let's try again with me. So stay forward. You have to feel like this, that you are forward and your leg is behind. But you are forward with me here. So go walk, walk. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. This leg good, this you delay too much. You send it sooner back. Send it, no, don't go. Send your leg. Leg, back. Yeah, leg back, go, leg back, sooner. Okay, too late. Watch, leg, okay. Put arms on your own legs like this, and now send your leg back, send it. Send it. Yes, that's better. Leg ahead of that's better. Okay, try it together, couples. That was much better.